Hello children, I am Vikesh from MLZS JHANSI. I am your science teacher.
Into the another lecture of chapter number 8, that is cell structure and function. If you remember, in the last video we have discussed the shape and size of a different kind of a cell. Then we have discussed about the cell wall, and then we have discussed about the cell membrane. Now the next part of this cell is a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, it is a jelly-like fluid that fills up the part of the cell between the cell membrane and the nucleus. Actually, the cytoplasm is made up by enzymes, amino acid, sugar and other molecules which are used to control different life processes. Various chemical reactions take place in the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is very important for the cell. Now the next heading is a nucleus. It is a spherical body floating within the cytoplasm in the center. It is separated from the cytoplasm by a thin nuclear membrane. Actually, it is considered to be the brain of the cell. The nucleus is surrounded by the membrane called the nuclear membrane, and it is filled with the semi-solid substance called nucleoplasm. If you can see in the picture, you will see that the bluish part in the center of the cell, this is a nucleus, and this nucleus can be separated with the nuclear membrane with the cytoplasm. Okay, and this nuclear membrane is a porous, so it can allow to exchange the material between the cytoplasm to nucleus and nucleus to cytoplasm. Okay, if you can see the spherical object which is present in the center of the nucleus, which is bluish in color, actually it is a nucleolus. The fluid inside the nucleus is called the nucleoplasm. So I hope that it is clear to everyone that cytoplasm is present inside the cell, which is a jelly like substance, whereas inside the cell there is a center part that is called a nucleus, and inside the nucleus another fluid is present that is called nucleoplasm, which can be separated from the cell by the help of nuclear membrane. So cytoplasm and nucleoplasm combined together are called protoplasm. The nucleus also contains a number of thread-like body called chromosomes. Chromosomes carry genes which are called the unit of inheritance. That is means the genes transfer characteristic from parents to the next generation. Chromosomes are made up of deoxyribonucleic acid, that is called DNA, which are responsible to transport the same kind of a characteristic of your parents inside you. That's why you are similar to your parents. Now we are moving to the next part of the cell, that is called a mitochondria. As we know that the cell can also getting energy, but how it will get energy? So this mitochondria will help to give them energy to the whole cell. They are a small rod-like structure. They perform important functions such as cellular respiration. What are these? Oxidation of a food substance to provide energy. That's why they are called the powerhouse of the cell. As your house is also running on the power that is called electricity, the same cell can get the energy with the help of mitochondria. The next part is vacuole. Actually, vacuole, it is a fluid filled space enclosed in a membrane. What are the work of a vacuoles? Vacuoles store excess water, useful minerals, pigments and many other substances. Pigment means chlorophyll. Because of this, the plant leaves are green in color. So this pigment is also containing by the vacuoles. So in today's video we have discussed about the cytoplasm, which is jelly like structure. Then we have discussed the nucleus. Then we have discussed that nucleus can be separated by the nuclear membrane by cytoplasm, and inside the nucleus there is a chromosome which containing genes, and then we have discussed the powerhouse of the cell, that is mitochondria. Thank you.